think, Snoop?
I think there's so many people with lights out here that I don't need my own light.
That's exactly what I was telling Robert. I was like, I don't have
yes, sir, I'm downrange.
Eyes and ears, everyone. Range is hot.
Okay. Ready? Up. Okay. Are you ready? Up. Think about your light, Jerry.
You're the guy.
Better than me anyway.
Excellent.
The transition, you're like, oh crap, I gotta turn light.
Shooter, ready? Up.
Okay, here's the back.
Is that sleeve attached? Around.
Yep. Not 260.
Oh yeah, with that, with the tape because when I shoot this way, if I see the clip right on it, I go to this way. Oh, so you
Carrying it around or whatever, you can just put it to. Yep. And it adjusts as well with the two. Slide right there. Good little setup. And then you can take it off. No, it's an actual.
Finish on the right.
We're finished on the right.
All right, all right.
All rifles are okay. All right. Flag it, please.
You know, the adjuster forever.
That was a lot of fun, huh? Let's do it again. 2 to the chest, 1 to the head on each of the 2 threats. Shooters ready. On the up command. Up! All right, this time we're going to put 1 to the head on each of your threats. On the up command. Up! Do you guys want to stay up here, shoot a bit more, or do you want to move back? Your choice.
I think do some mag changes. Mandatory.
You want to do some mandatory mag changes?
Yeah.
Good practice.
Okay, we can mix them up with moving back, or you guys can shoot up close. What would you rather do?
I'd like to move back.
Sure.
Yeah.
Everybody ready to move back?
Yeah.
Sure. All right, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to move all the barrels off to the sides, pull down the cardboard.
Are we leaving the stands up, Terry, or what?
Just pull the sticks and lay them down.
Okay.
We're done with paper.
Okay.
Shooter ready? Up!
Oh, okay.
I can't see that thing.
Alrighty.
Extrapolate, dude.
Rack it.
You're close. Okay, don't trust the laser because it's going to be too far off from here.
Deal.
Can you see the targets? You need to come up.